Welcome. In this session, we are going to learn the method of making a necklace. Women are usually fond of ornaments. Women get attracted whenever they see necklaces made of a variety of stones, pearls, or metals. They love wearing necklaces of stones and pearls in colors matching the clothes they wear. Necklaces are of mainly two types. One type of necklace, which has a short, broad structure, is known as kantha. The type of necklace, which is long, is called lambanam. At the end of this session, you will be able to know 1. The tools and materials needed to make a necklace, and 2. How to make a necklace. First of all, gather all tools and materials that are required to make a necklace. The tools used for making a necklace are nose plier and cutting plier. Depending upon the designs of the chain we are going to make, the materials used for making a necklace are chetapatti, ring, ghungru, gear wire, necklace kundan, cutting beads, gonda, etc. Now, let's look into the steps that are involved in making a necklace. Cut the gear wire to the required length using cutting plier for the process. Connect the cut length of the gear wire into chetapatti. Now string the cutting beads to both ends of the gear wire. After that, connect necklace kundan into it. Now, string the cutting beads and then connect the necklace kundan to it. Continue doing this. You can add more kundan depending on the size of the necklace. After that, fix it by tying to the chetapatti. After tying the gear wire tightly, take out the remaining gear wire through another hole of chetapatti. Now the two ends of gear wire have been taken out through the hole of chetapatti. Cut off the remaining gear wire using cutting plier. If we do not cut off remaining gear wire, there's a chance of the gear wire getting untied. Now, take the ring with the plier and set it in the kundan. Then add 8 to 10 gungrus into it. After adding the gungru, fix the ring tightly using a plier. Again, set the ring in the kundan, add gungru into it, and repeat the step by setting the next ring in the kundan. We have now connected the gungru. Now take the ring in the plier and connect it to the chetapatti. Press the ring with plier so that it does not come loose. Connect ring in two chetapattis. Using the plier, tighten the ring well. Now connect both ends of the gonda to the ring. Our necklace is ready. Instead of gear wire, fishing thread and threading wire can also be used to string a necklace. You have now made a beautiful necklace. Now, using beads and kundan of your choice, you can make necklaces in various designs according to your imagination. To add more beauty to the necklace, use beads and kundan of your choice. This session will guide you to make necklaces of various designs. After work, place all the tools and materials safely in their respective places. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.